Hello and welcome to PDFsupply.com. Today we're going to be troubleshooting an IC698CPE030 RX7i processor. And for this test I'm going to be using an IC698CHS017 rack. Power supply is an IC698 PSA100 and of course the CPE030. Now the first thing that I would do is, if I had a troubled processor in my lab, I would check the front and back sides, or top and bottom sides of the circuit board, and you'd have to take a very close look to see if any chips have gotten bumped off or scraped. That's a common problem. And secondly, I would take a close look at all the connecting pins on the back that connect to the chassis. Make sure that they're straight and true. None of them are pushed in or bent. Okay, so if it looks physically in good shape, I would put it into the rack as I have it right now and power it up. When I power it up, it goes through a self-diagnostic. You're going to see a few light patterns, but it should end with the CPU OK light on. Okay, CPU OK light typically indicates that the processor is in good working condition, but it doesn't mean that there aren't external faults that could be holding you up. Okay, so the second thing I would do is, once I have it powered up and I do have my OK light on and it's connected, I go to my Prophecy Machine Edition software, establish communication between the software and the processor, and I'm going to go into program mode. On the top menu bar, I'm going to click Target and go directly to Diagnostics in the drop down menu, and I'm going to look for any controller or I/O faults. Now, if you sort through the controller and I/O faults and you don't find anything useful or any major faults that would be holding you up, the next thing that I would do is go to Target, Online Commands in the drop-down menu. Once you click on Online Commands, another drop-down menu opens. You want to hit Clear, and you want to clear Controller and I/O Fault Table. That is the bottom two selections. And then download and start active target. Now this process is going to take a little while to go through. In my case, I'm downloading a completely blank file just for the purpose of getting the processor into run mode. And I'm going to be using hardware, configuration, and logic, top two selections. Okay, once the download is complete, you're going to go ahead and put the processor into run mode. I'm going to do this by sliding my selector switch to run with I/O enabled. This also gives me a chance to test this switch. As you saw before, I've had it in stop mode so that I can test that the function of this is working properly, and it is. All three lights should be on: CPU OK, run, and outputs enabled. Run is without outputs enabled, and outputs enabled is your third light. Okay, so this would be a good working condition processor. If you still have problems after a download with your configured rack, and it doesn't seem that it's the processor that's the problem, it could be a communication card or an I/O card, possibly a short somewhere. So the next thing I wanted to mention, though, particular to this CPE030, or for that matter CPE030, CPE040, or the redundancy processors, which is CRE030 or CRE040, there's particularly a problem that we see in the field where customers have mistakenly used the IC698CPE030 replacement battery, memory battery. The particular issue with this IC698CPE030 battery is that it's not compatible with the CPE030, 040, CRE030, or 040. And what is compatible, the only one that is compatible, is the IC698CPE030 battery module. It has the same connector, but it has a slightly different capacity. The problems that you'll have if you do connect up to this is you're going to have a battery fault within your software, in your program. It will hold you up. It can keep you from going into run mode. And worse still is that you will lose memory. The processor will not hold memory. So please keep in mind, this is a very big issue. And if you want to read further on this, I'd recommend that you go to GE's website and look up the document GFK-2438V, page 2, under the battery memory retention information. Okay, so please keep that in mind. So now, if you've gone through all these steps and you still feel that there's a problem with your processor, then it could need replacement or repair. This is something that we typically have in stock. And if you need more help, you can reach us at 1-800-360-6802 or find us online at www.pdfsupply.com. Thank you.